Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Hibernate mode on Windows 11. Turning on Hibernate mode on Windows 11 saves power by completely shutting down your PC while preserving your open applications and work, allowing for a quick resume later. So let's start the video. To enable Hibernate mode on Windows 11, open Control Panel by typing Control in the Windows search and then click to open it. In the control panel window, make sure view by is either set to small icons or large icons. Here click on power options. In the left sidebar, click on choose what the power button does. Now click on change settings that are currently unavailable. You should now see the Hibernate option under the shutdown settings. Check the box beside Hibernate option and then click on save changes button. Now to verify Hibernate mode, click on the start menu icon and then click on power option. You should now see Hibernate as one of the options along with sleep, shutdown and restart. So that's it, you have successfully enabled Hibernate mode on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching.